Hello, trading is closed on October 17, 2019. Go over our calls. Look for a gap and a quick move outside yesterday's range. We got that. We said more often than not it would be lower, but that means it can be higher too, and that's what happened. Look for the pattern with the early low, which is what we have, although frankly this could be counted either way. Tomorrow's pattern also has the early low. Typically it's a bullish pattern with a high in the last hour with a positive close unless there's early weakness. During the day, early on, we got an ultimate buy, an ultimate sell signal. The sell's played out. The buy hasn't. It tells us ultimately we'll go over today's high. It just doesn't have to be anytime soon. System said this rally was false and the drop was false. It's already played out. Well, here's what we said. Tomorrow's opens a surrogate for today's close. Odds favor a gap and prompt move outside the range. That's what we got. So what did this new high do to our wave count? Well, we had these great fib relationships. Here's wave purple A. We had purple C at 50%. Well, it's not exactly 50%, but it's not really off by enough to kill the idea. So we still have a plausible but not guaranteed count that says if we drop from here, we're in blue C down. Been waiting for that for a long time. Number of candidates. Until we start dropping, you can't be certain which one's going to pan out. Tomorrow's pattern has the early low. Could gap up first. Pattern's typically bullish without early weakness. We gapped up, surpassed prior highs, hit a higher high and couldn't hold it. Not only couldn't we hold these highs, we couldn't hold these highs. So unless we get proven otherwise meaning taking out these highs promptly, it's a rejection of the probe of the old highs, should lead to lower prices. Doesn't have to be a lower close, but we're still in a wave count that says if we drop in a straight line, should be wave blue C down. So we have a candidate for the top here. Couldn't hold on to these highs, couldn't hold on to these highs. We'll see if that's it. It's not the only candidate, but it's a plausible one. Early low tomorrow. If we don't move it down strongly in the first hour or two, should be a positive close. A new target. Ultimately, it should be seen 3008.30. And that's today's call.